I'm here at our brand new 7,000 square metre manufacturing and DC facility here at Bayswater, Victoria. Although we house many of our business groups here, today I'm going to focus on just two parts. That's the quality of our products and the reliability of our supply chain. Here in the MotorOne Auto Clean area, we manufacture a huge range of car wash, detailing and cleaning products, using state-of-the-art, data-driven decision-making that automates the quality control process. We manufacture for some of the biggest trucking and national car wash networks. And part of the reason we need all this space and why we built such an impressive facility is because we have at any one time thousands of individual products on the shelf, meeting the needs of just about every sector in the automotive industry. Here are some of the amazing people that make it all happen. Our experienced team who manage both procurement and distribution to all parts of our network, all parts of Australia, all day, every day. I'm now at MotorOne Auto Body in Dandenong South in Victoria. This is one of 20 sites that we've just completed, and I'm proud to say that we have many more on the drawing board. We're now one of Australia's fastest growing multi-site operators, handling all levels of repair. All our facilities have the latest technology equipment to ensure all repairs are completed to the highest standards. And we don't overlook customer satisfaction, with many of our sites offering customer lounges, workspaces and barista cafe experience. Let's not forget where it all started, with car care. Today we have 2,000 partners in trade sector and motor car dealerships. We continue to offer the latest technology from Auto Extreme and have introduced 8th generation Hydro G9 surface coatings. Schmick membership program continues to grow and develop and is now available in New Zealand. We continue to surround ourselves with the smartest people that bring experience, hard work, dedication to the table every day. And as a business, we're fully committed to embracing ESG, our impact on environment and social governance that will impact our long-term sustainability and performance, including gender equality, our stand against modern slavery, and of paramount importance in today's climate, cyber security. That said, we'll continue to learn, continue to deliver on our promises, continue to deliver best quality products and services, and we'll also dig deeper to bring new initiatives to the market and to help our customers grow their businesses. We have a real sense of purpose and a clear vision for the future. I'm Greg Lewis, CEO of MotorOne, and we are the car caring people.